All right, sir. We are rolling. नमस्ते मिस्टर आनंद, आपका बहुत बहुत दिल से स्वागत है हमारे इस एपिसोड स्वदेश सुरक्षित ऑफिस वापसी में. Thank you so much, sir.
Namaste Diksha. Namaste. Same here. And thank you so much for allowing me to speak to you and connect to you.
Thank you so much, sir. All right, sir. अभी आप बताइए कि being a leader in the industry right now, COVID का क्या situation है when we talk about employees and workplace. So आपकी राय हमें जानना बहुत महत्वपूर्ण होगा. What to you, sir?
Okay. So basically, see, since we are into hospitality industries, I am working with the Hilton Hotel and Resort. So as far as COVID is concerned, after the second wave, we are slowly and gradually back to our normal operations, and we are operating our business as per the government protocol. I mean, this much room inventory we can open, this much precaution we need to take. So we are taking all the precautions because we are into guest and service sector. So we need to take that much precaution so that guests should also ensure and rest assured that yes, he's at the right place and all the precautions have been taken care, all the protocol has been adhered.
All right, sir, perfect. So when you talk about protocol, Mr. Anand, क्या आप हमें बताएंगे किस प्रकार की policies या protocol या procedures आप लोग इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो to make sure सुरक्षित office वापसी and make sure that the employees are absolute, they are absolute at safety. Over to you, Mr. Anand.
So, I mean, we recently reopened our operation from 16th of June, and whosoever, I mean, the staff were on leave at their home, and some few people were working from home itself. So after reopening, we started taking our staff and the outsource and on-roll staff. I mean, we are asking them to report with the proper negative RT-PCR or RAT report. After getting the report also, we have a qualified nurse out here who generally takes care of the RAT test here also. So once they get their negative report, we also get a test done here, and then we allowed them to come here. If they are coming from the outside of the Maharashtra, we are keeping them for quarantine for at least 3 days, and we are providing them lunch, dinner, breakfast, everything at their quarantine place only. And then after 3 days, we are taking them on board for the real working.
Right, Mr. Anand, thank you so much. आपने मतलब आपने enthusiastically बताया कि हम लोग अपने लोग के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं. बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे ये जानकर कि हम उन्हें lunch भी provide करते हैं. Super, बहुत उम्दा. अब सर हमें ये बताइए कि किस प्रकार के tools और techniques आप use करते हैं. Say for example, Diksha is a part of hospitality industry. तो Diksha के लिए कैसे आप avoid करेंगे कोई भी touch point अपने workstation पे या अपने department के अंदर. So what are the tools, techniques you are using, if you can summarize for us? Thank you so much. Over to you, sir.
For the team members who are into direct guest contact, like housekeeping team, F&B team, front office team, and kitchen team, culinary team, they are directly into guest contact. So we are providing them gloves, we are providing them masks, we are providing them face shield also. And before entering any villa to service them, they are properly sanitize their hands. They properly disinfected their all tools and the whatever they are going to service the room. So these are the precautions we are taking care, so that guests can also be rest assured, and we also can rest assured that everything is properly and touch free.
Awesome, sir. So आपकी क्या राय है आनंद जी फ्यूचर ऑफ वर्क पे? अगर हम बात करें कि हाइब्रिड मॉडल हो रहा है आपके हॉस्पिटैलिटी सेक्टर में, फ्यूचर ऑफ वर्क की क्या गुंजाइश है, या क्या आप हमारे व्यूअर्स को बताना चाहेंगे कि व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन फ्यूचर ऑफ वर्क, हाउ यू सी द फ्यूचर ऑफ वर्क एज अ लीडर? ओवर टू यू, मिस्टर आनंद.
Future of work, I mean, I would put this like this, that since if you are taking a proper precaution, if you are taking a proper protocol, if you are maintaining social distancing, if you are caring for each other, if all the team members are adhering the protocols, and I don't see that there are any chances of spreading the coronavirus again, and we are very hopeful for that, because you can see in first wave we have only almost 150 plus team members staying inside the accommodation, and it's very difficult to keep the virus away when you are having inside. So in last wave also we had only 3 members who got affected, and immediately we sent them back to hospital and everything. And in this second wave also we had only 2 or 3. That's very creditable, that I mean we are taking care of our people, and if anything comes to us that somebody is having the indications of fever or body ache or sneezing or any kind of this thing, we immediately take action and we get them to hospital. So that's how, I mean, if every precautions and protocols to be adhere, any issue that we can't back to work again in a normal. Yeah, so as I told you earlier also, that we are taking all the precautions and measures to avoid this virus away from our team members, because if we ensure the health and safety of our team members, then only we can assure the guests to come here to visit our property. And if all the team members are clean and they are healthy and safe, then only the guests can come to our place, our villa, to enjoy their leisure time. Yeah, so we are taking all the precautions, we are adhering all the protocols set by the government, and we are taking all the tools and techniques available for that.
Awesome, Mr. Anand.